Hello members of Tambol Math class. Let us provide a solution to this interesting Olympiad mathematics question. As you know, I like Olympiad mathematics questions because of the critical thinking. So the question reads, if x to the power of 4 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 4 is equal to 119 for x greater than 0, which means that x is positive, then 2x minus 3 to the power of 2 is what? So in Olympiad mathematics question, you are not required to find the solution. You are not required to find the value of x before substitution. Just do whatever kind of manipulation you can just to get that value you are looking for. Okay, let's get started. I would like to start from something simple. X to the power of 2 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 2 also squared. What can we get here? This is equal to the first term squared, which is going to give us x to the power of 4, plus the second term, which is going to give us 1 divided by x to the power of 4, which is equivalent to what we have here, plus 2 multiplied by this, But if this 2 multiplies, you get 1 times 2 is 2. This is equal to 119 plus 2. Maybe I should be doing that mentally. Yeah, 119 plus 2 is 121, which is still equal to that. But if you take square root of both sides just to get x to the power of 2 plus 1 divided by x to the power of 2, this is going to give us 11. Yes, if you take square root of both sides, because this is 121, square root of 121 is 11. Now I would like to find x minus 1 divided by x. Very important. But this will remain positive provided x is positive. So I would like to square this. First term squared is x squared. Second term squared is 1 divided by x squared, which we have here as 11, right? Then minus 2 times this time this. This time this is 1 times negative 2 is still negative 2. So I would like to do the same thing I did earlier. This is 11, right? 11 minus 2 is 9. So the whole of x minus 1 divided by x squared is 9. And if you take square root of both sides, let me come back here. X minus 1 over x will be equal to 3. Remember I told you that x is positive. So this must remain positive. So we have this. Next, what should I do? I would like to multiply all terms by x from here. So I have x squared minus 1 equals 3x by multiplying both sides by x, just to clear the fraction. Let me rearrange it. We have x squared minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. This is quadratic equation, but I'm not going to solve for x. One thing I would like to remind you is the derivative of the left hand side of every quadratic equation. Let's differentiate first. If you differentiate this, you get 2x. That's in calculus, but you can use general formula as well, please. I just want to bypass some of these things. This will give us 2x. This will give us minus 3. Can you see that we have something similar? Yes. The derivative of the left-hand side of every quadratic is equal to plus or minus the square root of what? Coefficient of x squared, which is 9, minus 4 times a times c. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. So we have negative 4. With this negative, you have positive 4, which is 13, right? But remember, what we are looking for is to the power of 2. So all you have to do is to square both sides. If you square this, 2x minus 3 is the same thing as squaring the right hand side, and the plus or minus will go because power of 2 will neutralize that negative. And it's like squaring this. This is what I mean. You square this, you square that. This power will cancel this negative as well as the square root, leaving only 9 plus 4, which is 13. Oh my God. It means that 2x minus 3 squared, which we are looking for, is indeed equal to 13. As simple as that. So let me call your attention here. For those of you that might not understand this, you can use the general formula. The general formula stated that x is equal to minus b minus 3, that is 3, minus b, that is 3, plus or minus square root of, the square root will remain the same, 13. B squared minus 4ac will not change. Divide by 2. So from here, multiply both sides by 2. This 2, you have 2x equals 3 plus or minus square root of 13. Bring 3 backward, you have 2x minus 3 equal to plus or minus square root of 13. So from here, once you square both sides, you have 2x minus 3 squared must be equal to 13. So the answer is 13.